Hello lovely viewers, you're welcome to Befe Show. Thank you so much for joining me on today's episode. Today I'll be talking about ginger. This is what ginger looks like. I know we are familiar with this, and let's go into details. Ginger is thought to have originated from the Himalayan foothills in northern India, but today it is grown in almost every part of the world for commercial purposes. You can even grow ginger right at your backyard or even in your garden. Yes, you can grow ginger there as long as your soil is fertile. So you can get ginger at your disposal anytime, any day. Okay, yes, ginger has a very spicy and aromatic nature, and this is caused by a phenotic compound known as gingerols. This is what gives ginger that spicy, nature and aromatic nature. Ginger can be gotten in various forms. You can get it in its whole form like this from your local store or your grocery store. You can also get it in a pastry form. Okay, they've already blended it and then they've stored it in a tight container. You can get it that way. It also comes in its powdered form. Okay, so you can get it in different forms. It all depends on what you want to use it to do and how you want to incorporate it into your meal or your diet or whatever you're using it for. So just go in for what works best for you. Now, ginger is being used for so many things. It's used for cooking, it's been added to smoothies, it's used for medicinal purposes and all whatnot. So you can read more about the uses of ginger, and if you know of any use of ginger or if you know of something you use ginger to do, please leave it down in the comment section so we can learn from it. That's what Befe Show is all about. It's all about we learning from each other. Now let's go into the benefits of consuming ginger. Ginger aids digestion. So when you incorporate ginger into your meal, it will help your food to digest fast and better. Okay, ginger also reduces blood sugar levels. It also reduces cholesterol in our system. There is one important thing about ginger that I got to know recently. Studies have shown that taking 1 gram of powdered ginger from the day of your menstruation can help reduce the menstruation pain just as significant as the drugs such as mefenamic acid that we take in does. Okay, so the same thing that drug does to you, like the same way it reduces the menstruation pain, that's the same way 1 gram of powdered ginger can reduce your menstruation pain. So you take 1 gram the first day, another gram, 1 gram second day, 1 gram third day, and it will work perfectly for you just as your drugs work for you. So you can see that ginger is loaded. So if you've been avoiding ginger, if you can chew it raw, if you can drink it in its pasty form or in its watery form, or you can use it to prepare smoothie because of its spiciness, you can incorporate it into your meals and get all the nutrients that ginger has to offer. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe so you get notified on my next upload. Leave your comments down below of what you think about ginger, what you use ginger to do, and how you incorporate it into your meal and how you take it into your body. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye bye.